Welcome to the regular Faroese News Report.
First up, the news headlines. After that, we'll get into some recent opinion pieces and ongoing debates. So in Runavik, 5 council members are actually taking the decision for an election rerun to court. Their case really boils down to 4 key arguments against the ministry's decision. In other news, a new law on free abortion just passed, and wow, it was by a razor-thin margin, 17-16. Gynecologist Diana Rainston expressed her relief. This new law permits abortion up to the 12th week. The Faroese Medical Association, however, has stayed neutral, pointing to divided opinions among its members. Okay, let's shift to foreign affairs. Tensions around Greenland, well, they've flared up again. This social media post from Katie Miller, wife of a key Trump advisor, really got a lot of attention. This comes as President Trump again said the U.S. needs Greenland, citing security reasons. In response, the Danish ambassador to the U.S. affirmed Denmark's complete territorial integrity. And now for some industry news. The Southern Strømøy Coastal Fishing Association reported a good year for 2025. They say it's thanks to great local cooperation and successful lobbying for more fishing days. All right, let's turn from the headlines to the opinion pieces and debates shaping the conversation. MP Helgi Abrahamsen is arguing that cutting the Danish state grant negates any savings from a higher pension age. Meanwhile, MP Elspeth Gunnleagsdottir has proposed diversifying the economy into new service industries. And a letter from Kristen Vestergaard has laid out a blueprint for some pretty widespread tax and social reform. Now, a debate over cultural identity has officially made its way into Parliament. It's a formal inquiry from MP Jenisov Rana about the establishment of Muslim centers or mosques. This inquiry follows a number of opinion pieces about the potential for creating, parallel societies. One piece argued these centers could become network engines, and that might alter social integration. Finally, looking ahead to the election year, Union Party Chairman Bardu A. Stig Nielsen laid out his vision. Like and subscribe to PAL's Fundamentals for more content like this. Sources linked below.